Hello everybody, I'm Dutch and I would like to show you a really neat solution to make it so that your bike lock stays on so it doesn't roll away and you come back and your bike is on the ground. A lot of today's bike don't come with kickstands to save weight. So this is not really a new solution, but all it is a 1/8 shock cord, a cord lock, and then there's a pull tab on here. So I like to keep this right on my handlebar. I find that if I keep it right here where my brake is, I don't even notice it's there. And then when I come and I lean my bike against the wall, I just put it on there and I give it a good tug and it locks the bike's brake, and now the bike really can't move. So if the steering wheel's like this, it's not going to roll away and fall over. Thank you, everybody.